What's the meaning of cafeteria? Cafeteria. Cafeteria.
Cafeteria. Cafeteria. A cafeteria is a type of eatery or dining facility where customers can choose from a variety of self-service food options. Typically, a cafeteria offers both hot and cold food items, such as salads, sandwiches, soups, and hot entrees like baked chicken or meatloaf. Customers usually walk along a self-service line, filling their trays with the desired items and paying at the end of the line. Many cafeterias are located on school or university campuses, while others are found in workplaces or public places like hospitals or museums. Cafeterias are popular for their convenience, variety, and affordable prices.